Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jennifer. I hope y'all are doing well. I wanted to show you how I made this file folder folio insert for this Rose junk journal that I was working on. I started this project with you guys a while ago, and I showed you how I did this insert inside the journal. So now I'm going to show you how I did this file folder insert. It's a really simple, easy project using just one file folder. And this is already done and completed. So I've got a pocket here and a big pocket here. And then a pocket on the other side. And then a big pocket in the back. So it's a simple little, oh, and this decorated pocket on the front. It's a simple little project. And I thought I'd share how I made it with y'all. So we'll just start. I used just a standard size file folder with the tab at the top. That worked best for me with this project, so you could use whatever you'd like. To get the first score, I'm going to turn it over. Actually, and do it this way. Sorry, so the fold, so I had it like this. I'm just going to flip it around like this and put the factory fold right against this scoreboard here. And then from the factory fold, I'm going to score at the 5-inch mark right here. Let's do it again. Okay. And then from there, we're going to make a fold at the bottom. So I'm going to take it back and put it this way. And then so I've got the factory fold up here and my tab at the bottom here. That's that 5-inch score line we just made. So from this side, I'm going to go in up 4 inches, put a score line there. Okay. And then to get this flap on this side, I'm actually going to cut this off at the 4-inch mark. So from the factory fold, I cut it down to 4 inches. So this will fold over like that. And then you have your little book. Well, the start of it. Down here at the bottom, just going to fold it up at that 4-inch crease. And then these two little squares on either side, we're going to cut out. So you're going to cut in and then cut down on both sides. And these will get crossed off right here. So you'll leave this center piece. So when you cut it, you want to cut just on the inside, because this piece here, you're going to fold up and make that back pocket. So you want to cut just to the inside. There's the score line, and I cut just on the inside on both sides. And then those pieces you want to save. These pieces I used right here in this folio I made a corner pocket there. And then I used this piece here. I like the little tab here, so I put that here. I cut it down to size. I think I went this way with it. Make a pocket there. So we can get rid of this. And then you'll just take a ruler and your 2 squares. Make some money. So let's see, we'll go that way because this has got that little lip there. So I want to just make sure it measures up, which it should. So from corner to corner, I'm going to draw a straight line, straight-ish. That's one pocket there. And same thing for the other side. And to make these pockets fit, because you don't want them to butt up against the crease line, it won't fold. So I go off the page a little bit, and then right there I score there to make it a little, a better size pocket. So you can bring back the scoreboard. So this side here is where I'm going to score. So I'm going to flip it over and then just go in. Well, actually, I'm going to put the bottom side. How am I going to do this? Like that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, sorry. So the bottom of the triangle will go here. And I'll just score it. Let's do 3/8 and see how that looks. Yeah. So you put that in, that pocket doesn't hit that crease line, so it can fold better. And then that little bit you'll just chomp off. You could also do that down here at the bottom, but I don't think it's necessary for this. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then this piece flips up here. If you need to, you could trim off the edges just a little bit more, just to make sure it folds. So there's those pockets there. So let's work on this pocket here. So I saved this piece that I originally cut off. I'm just going to line it up here to make a pocket also. Think like that, yeah. Okay. So again, I'm going to take the scoreboard and just make a mark, a score mark here at 3/8 inch, just to give me that little space for the pocket. Okay, so now I got to measure how long. Mark it here. But that's not where I'm cutting, that's where I have to score it. So I'll just make a mark there to cut it down. Then bring the scoreboard back. And have it marked here, it comes up to a 1/2 inch. So I'll just mark it there to score. Okay. And it should fit right there. And then you just cut it down to size, however, tall or small you want it. So I'm gonna make it a taller pocket. And just cut maybe 2 inches off. Let's see. Okay. And then that fits there. So now I have a pocket here. And then again, you can make that same lip there for the pocket, but just the two sides works well for me. Okay, so your folder, this would be the front flap, and then we can decorate it. And inside you've got your pocket there, your pocket here, and pocket here, and the middle one. So we'll ink everything down. I'll cut decorative papers to size, and then I'll stitch also, and I'll show you the finished project.